Timber! I love this type of Brawl so much. I'm playing Starship Warrior / Hunter. You have Exarch, Exodar, easy list there, Ziliax, Chiladrasil, Elise. Same game plan, copy the pieces, but we get to run, like, copy pieces, make a big ship. We get to use Terror Scale Stalker to duplicate the Death Rattle, get a bunch of damage. Elise can duplicate the Biopod. I should do both. I don't know if this deck is truly, like, optimized, but it still wins most games in this Brawl, which is the fun of it, because you can just shit around with something fun and cool. This deck is insane, though. I don't know about this deck. This deck is absurd. Like, this would be, if this format was properly balanced, this deck would get banned or nerfed or something immediately, because it's so broken comparatively, I feel. It's beatable, for sure. Maybe also just, for my deck, it's just not a great matchup. If you want to run this, well, actually, I mean, by the time you see this, it's not going to be... Yeah, the timer all ended. Well, I guess if they ever do it again, I was going to be like, oh, you can take out Chiladrasil and put Jim Raynor in. I just don't have Jim Raynor to enable Elise. But it's going to be gone, because Blizzard is allergic to doing more than one cool Brawl, like, every year, which is really sad. It is what it is, though. 500 cigarettes. Yeah, we're just playing Elise. I'm gonna try to get one. This deck is pretty heavy near the end, so you always pick one. Try to get. Oh fuck! I'll take Discover, and I missed. All right, we're fucking cooked. Deal 3 works, I guess. That sucks ass. If the point is to get the copy, you don't need the 5 copy. Just as long as you get it. So you pick the 1, and then like on 5 I play the 6 I go like Starship piece, copy it. But when you miss, it's kind of tough. Is this summon? It is. No, it's play, not summon. Alright. Save me, Hostile Invader.
Blaze a trail.
500 cigarettes. Nice. We're good, chat. I think I don't have a spell. I can get one though. This is copying things. I guess I can discover first. Is all you can eat good? All you can eat is actually really good. Draenei mech. Do I care though? I can give me second hostile invader. I do care, but I can hold it. Actually, no, I don't, because I need the spell burst this turn. Nice. Okay. I do you actually want to dump another minion? I feel like I could just. This will kill whatever I play. I feel like I just press the button. This is gonna die to a ping or something. I'll button. Not that I'm opposed to like letting this die to the hostile invader, but it's at the cost of, not gaining 2 life. I'll gain 2 life against this deck. It's small and that is interesting. Oh, this just got, yeah, this is, the nerf is life, I forgot. I don't think I even had this card. 500 cigarettes. Yeah, it's okay. I love Hostile One. This card is so not balanced, bro. Like, I can't. let's see, what do we see? I can't even check what's in here without hovering it and showing it and then looking at it. But I want to see how much damage I have if I find Terror Scale Stalker. I haven't even played that many cards. I was just playing board clears. Next turn, I think next turn is literally just gonna be Yamato Cannon, Arcane Defense Crystal. Oh, Sniping Invader, nice. Ziliak's looking kinda clutch here, though. Ziliak's looking kinda clutch here, because this doesn't do a whole lot. This, I do want online. But if I'm back to full life, I can then rip that, and then... it's kind of the same difference, right? This gains another 5 life. It's kind of risky to just rip this. I feel like it's Ziliak's. It's kind of unfortunate, but... there's maybe a chance that behind this, I could Ceaseless into these two. Just to have the breathing room to do so. Right, repeat after me! Oh my god. Like, that's gross. Yeah, I don't have it now. Oh my god, no, he can still press the button. Oh my god, oh wait, yeah, he gets it 4 times. Oh my god, what? Wait, that is not balanced. Wait, that is actually so not balanced. What the fuck? Okay. I guess I'll discover first. Jesus. I don't even know how to get out of this situation. I need to find... I guess it has to... Oh, but I can't even... Oh, no, I can draw. It has to be Exodar, right? That doesn't even save me, but it has to be Exodar. Ugh. This doesn't do no damage. Wait, no. Do I have it? Oh my god, I have to choose. And there's just no way, right? It's 1, let's go to 3. No, I don't have it, because... it doesn't work. No, I didn't have it. If I had Terror Scale Stalker, maybe. It's actually an insane curve. I'll keep the whole thing. Alright, well my opponent is finally not a mage or a druid. So we're kind of vibing. Ooh, nice. In the rear with the friggin' gear. Oh my goodness. Is that real? Hard running Feral Spirit? Innervate Feral... Dude, this guy has the technology we're not aware of. Okay. I'll play the rod next turn. Is this worth hitting? I feel like it's not. Alright, well, as long as I don't hit the other SUV, this works out really well. And if I do, it's still kind of fine. Yeah, it's whatever. Guaranteed fish next turn. Fish! Except if I lose the 1 in 2022, which happened a couple games ago, and I was really mad about it. But it doesn't happen. No, it's not real. Statistical anomalies aren't real. They can't hurt you. Oh, what the hell? Death Rattle Summon. I'm just gonna let him, like, re-evolve that for me, personally. I'm just not gonna kill that. Oh, we're goated, Twin. Twin, we are goated. Oh, Twin, we're goated, Twin. We're still goated, Twin. Because I'm going to ignore that, I'm going to prevent myself from taking more face damage here. Shit these face. And then this on 5, this on 6. Oh my god, no, 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 my recording! No! Hold on. Oh my goodness. Alright, Twin, we're goated. Wait. Maybe not. Hang on, hang on, hang on. I will fix it, I will fix it. Yay, Twin, we're goated, yay! Did he just meteor start? Where the f— Alright. Sorry, I'm used to assuming this mage. He's just running that. Oh god. Yeah. Oh my god. No such thing as a boogeyman. No such thing as a boogeyman. I thought he said, I play therefore I am. I've never heard that voice line properly in my life. Boop. I forgot I was discovering, I won't lie. I need armor. Let's take shield block. Fucking boogeyman, dude. First ever recorded instance of boogeyman value. I've never seen that effect. This is a classic card. I've never seen that effect in my life. Oh my god! Yo, relax. We're not plenty. Did that just give him Shiladra Soul? I'm pretty sure that no he's Shaman. He gets more curse than that. Deal 4. It's not bad. But I can't do that plus Hostile Invader. Kinda lame. You think if I just rip these two? Yeah. And I can do some ship shenanigans next turn with Hostile Invader, Shield Block. Maybe. Actually, no, I can... If this takes... fuck, I don't know, man. We'll figure it out. We will figure it out. Oh my god, that's not real. That's not real. He can't kill anything. Unless the bipod snipes it. No, he's not gonna kill it. Okay. Ah, he's a contrarian. Okay. Oh my god. What happened here? This is okay. Everything's fine. Destroy a friendly to gain 8. I do like that. Depending on where this goes. Okay. Okay, we're good, we're good. So, all forms of life. And then I Concussive Shells the Octosari, trade there, let it die. Let it crust. Sorry. Yay! We cleared the board, guys. Boots, Meteor Storm. That's not a bad burn. I love Hostile Invaders so much, dude. You're barking up the wrong tree! Chat, did you know you're barking up the wrong tree? Oh, fuck, okay. I don't really know how I'm gonna deal with Greybow. Greybow. Oh! Is he dead to that? He's hella dead, right? I have 2 Biopods. This deals 6 when it launches. Oh, he's so crazy dead, right? Oh, he's just like he's so ridiculously dead. I'm gonna toy with my food for a little bit though. Hang on. No, I don't think Bob helps me. Okay, well, I win, I guess. Goodbye. Oh, there's 2. I don't even need to siphon it. Yeah, you're dead. Goodbye!